This project is called Sanctum. It composed of a service apartment, condominium unit, shopping mall, hotel, and recreational, including all the garden surrounding around it. I can say that this project is a luxury apartment.
We have multiple contractors currently working side by side in this building. Quality of the interior finishing is only 5-star. That is what we aim for.
The project has progressed according to plan. As we speak presently, we've completed the civil structural works. That's what we call the carcass. That has been completed, and we are now in the finishing stage of the development for Tower A. Right now, what we can say is also ongoing at the moment regarding civil works will be the civil finishing work. This aspect has to do with maybe the finishing within the building, such as the parking area works, the external pavement, and little granulitic finishing within the services area. This is ongoing by a contractor, A&K Construction Limited. For the finishing work, we've just awarded to 4 international finishing contractors. Presently, we had to do this because of our target for completion. We want to get the project delivered to that international standard.